Welcome to Listen and Learn. Today we are mastering the CompTIA Network Plus exam with audio flashcards. Here's how this works. I will say a networking acronym or port number. I'll leave a few seconds of silence. You try to define it in your head. Then I will give you the answer and a simple explanation. Let's begin with the protocols. First one, DHCP. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. This protocol automatically assigns IP addresses, subnet masks, and default gateways to devices on a network. Without DHCP, you would have to manually configure every single computer and phone at once on ports 67 and 68. Next, DNS. Domain Name System. DNS translates human-readable domain names, like google.com, into IP addresses that computers understand. Think of it as the phone book of the internet. It uses port 53. Next, Network Address Translation. NAT. This is a process where your router translates your private internal IP addresses into a single public IP address to send data over the internet. It conserves IPv4 addresses and adds a layer of security. Let's look at the transport protocols. First, TCP. Transmission Control Protocol. This is a connection-oriented protocol. It guarantees delivery. If a data packet is lost, TCP resends it. It's used for things where accuracy matters more than speed, like web browsing or email. The opposite of that, UDP. User Datagram Protocol. This is a connectionless protocol. It sends data without checking if it arrives. It is faster than TCP but less reliable. We use it for streaming video or online gaming, where speed is a priority. Now, let's do rapid fire port numbers. I'll say the number, you tell me the service. Port 20 and 21. FTP or File Transfer Protocol, used for transferring files between a client and a server. Remember, port 21 is for control. Port 20 is for the data transfer. Port 22. SSH or Secure Shell. This is used to securely log in to remote systems. It encrypts the connection so hackers can't see your password. It also handles SFTP. Item 8. Port 23. Telnet. This is the old way to log into remote systems. It is unencrypted, meaning everything is sent in plain text. For the exam, remember, never use Telnet. Use SSH instead. Item 9. Port 80. HTTP. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is unsecure web traffic. If you see a website that starts with just HTTP, it's using port 80. Item 10. Port 443. HTTPS. The S stands for secure. This uses SSL or TLS to encrypt web traffic. If you are banking online, you are using port 443. Outro. That was your top 10 network plus flashcards. If you want part 2 with more advanced routing protocols like OSPF and BGP, make sure to subscribe to Listen to Learn. Play this video on your commute until you can answer them instantly. See you in the next lesson.